What's going on, all you droniacs out there? Just got the blades off of my drone out here at beautiful Island Lake in Duluth, just outside of Duluth, Minnesota, I guess. Out here with some family, some friends. Family came out. There goes a couple ducks. Cool. Family came up from Alaska, so we came up here to visit. And I had to bring the drone. So, I'm not exactly sure what bay this is. We buzzed around the bay, had a good look at everything. Gorgeous day for this. A couple people out on the pontoon boat, and kiddo went out on the kayak. Had a good time. But yeah, not really very much else to say, but other than it was just awesome place to be. Sun is shining. Family and friends are gathered. Can't ask for much of a better day here in northern Minnesota. But I guess be watching for my full-length drone video coming up later on this week. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next day, but a little later on. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the views of Island Lake, and I will talk to you later.